Yeah, it's certainly deeper than it looked from above. Cable Canyon in Utah's San Rafael Swell is a challenging technical canyon with 2 pothole sections requiring escapes by various means to continue progress down canyon. We approached the canyon from the Hanksville side, parking in Salt Wash. Pulled off the side of the road here at Salt Wash, and we're going to walk through that gap there towards Cable Canyon up those Moroni slopes. The hike begins with wet feet as you cross Salt Wash. Interesting geological hike up Lower Cable Canyon. You can see where the creek cuts its way through the different layers of rock in the swell. This is our exit out of Cable. We're then going to rim walk to the head of the canyon. From the Moroni slopes, there are excellent views across to Factory Butte and down into Cable Canyon. It's just over an hour to the drop-in point. Just got a rim walk now. On the hiking, no matter what you do, you'll eventually come to a point that's impossible not to. Massive cairn, and we're going to be somehow getting down into there. We just did a long zigzag to get about 20 metres below where we were 10 minutes ago, but we're safely into the gully that'll take us down to Cable. And we're in. No footsteps at all, so we're the first people for a while. A short stroll down canyon to the first obstacle. And the first rappel. If we have problems with the potholes, we're pretty confident we'd be able to get up one side or the other by bridging. It turns out there are exit options between the first rappel and the first technical pothole section. Kind of just turned a corner and suddenly got very dark, and we're getting to the first technical section, 6 potholes. So Mel's just climbed out of the first pothole, having a look at the second pothole, which is the keeper, and it's bone dry. So we'll go in and do a partner assist. Okay, Mel abseiling into the keeper. It's a bit deeper than it looked from above, so it might be a pack toss and a partner assist. Plenty of sand for pot shots.
At least in there, and I'll show you how high it is.
It's certainly deeper than it looked from above.
Okay, so we're set up in the keeper pothole. We're going to start with a pack toss.
That heavy landing smashed my compass. It hit the ground.
I think that was successful.
And your shoulder, ready? 1, 3.
We used a partner assist to exit and then continue the rappel on the down canyon side. I used a Jumeau to get up there. Jumeau and Etrier. Melissa's now going to go and have a look at the next. Where there are probably another 3 more potholes.
You can down climb. And the next one should be okay too.
Oh, that was very easy to get out of the 5th, I think. And then
Down some water.
a jump, down climb. And the exit of that pothole section, we managed to climb around there on the true left looking down canyon. There's a short open section and then back into the sandstone for the second string of potholes.
Thank you.
Melissa was 3 months pregnant with our son Ryan, so we tackled all obstacles on the cautious side.
Thank you.
So we've reached the second set of potholes and found an anchor up high. Well done.
Open up. Sounds like you're going to get water.
There is water in this pothole, but looks like you can stay dry and climb out by those rocks. Rappelling into the first pothole of the second section. It's a little off angle to get up there, but there's a key hand and foot hold. I think this is the third pothole of this section. Squeeze down the crack into the pool Could be a little tricky exit depending on how muddy it is. It's actually about thigh deep. A little sort of awkward off angle. There's a right foothold pushes you across. It's probably going to require knees. No.
Okay. Trickier than it looks.
And the next pothole looks like a swimming pool, and we have to go around the corner to the left. Can't see how easy it is to get out. Whew. Yeah, if it wasn't for all of the sand and rocks there, it would be a tricky exit. With silt and mud covering the tread of your shoes, an easy traverse becomes a little unnerving. It seems the sand and rocks are always in this part of the pothole to present an easy exit, but beware.
Waist.
Chest.
And comes back up again.
Not far at all after the second set of potholes. Looks like a fairly large drop. There's a sling there already for the rappel. Melissa sitting by the anchor. Actually sort of climbed down past this pothole, looking down the large abseil. Bone dry pothole beneath. Might require a partner assist. It's about a 20-metre rappel into the pothole, but you'll need to continue the rappel on the down canyon side, a total rappel of about 25 metres, so don't pull your rope just yet.
Yeah, wow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, good.
We were happy to have a dry pothole, taking away any time pressure. Again, a partner assist offered a simple exit. Melissa then continued the rappel down the other side and tied off the rope to be my anchor to climb out. I brought a Jumar and Etriers to speed up the rope ascent, but you could use prussiks or even just hand over hand up the rope, Batman style. And there's Melissa, who was my anchor at the other side, and then we have probably a swimming pool.
Slide and swim. Oh, it is.
I was touching the bottom there.
Okay. Slide and swim. And then it went past the rock. It's colder than the other ones.
Thought this was going to be a swimming pool, but the canyon wall comes right in, so you can basically bridge hands to feet. Tricky little problem here, but we can hand over hand down the wall. Walking through the final narrows, we were very surprised to hear a clap of thunder. As usual, we had kept an eye on the sky all day, happy to see clear blue skies through the narrow slither of sky visible above the canyon slot. Once the walls opened, we could see a thunderstorm approaching us from the east. We were out just in time. Cabled Canyon is a fun, challenging canyon requiring technical skills and judgment. It's a great goal to work towards as you build your knowledge and experience.